Namaste, Alak Niranjan. On the auspicious occasion of Kal Bhairav Jayanti on 23rd of November, which comes once in a year in the Margashisha month on the 8th day of the Krishna Paksha, I will be conducting a very auspicious homam for Lok Kalyan and your individual wishes and prayers to Lord Kal Bhairav. I would like to take this time to speak about my own connection with the Lord Bhairav Baba and how the worship of Kal Bhairava on this day can be very beneficial for all of you. So, this is Lord Kal Bhairava. He's the Rudra form of Shiva, and Kal Bhairav Jayanti is the day of his manifestation. There is a story that is related to this origin that Lord Brahma, who had become egoistic and claims to be more powerful than Lord Shiva, actually made Shiva angry, and from his third eye emerged the form of Lord Kal Bhairava, and who immediately slashed off the fifth head of Brahma. This story represents the role of ego in our spiritual journeys, and no matter, even if you are the creator, then also the annihilation of the ego is vital on the spiritual path, which is represented by the role of Kal Bhairava. So, there are many facets to his presence, and in these times of the Kali Yuga, his worship is on the rise. His presence uh, is quite palpable by all of us now, and he is the Dandapani. He has a danda, or the rod or the stick with which uh, he actually destroys the evil and the devilish forces. So his presence in today's dark times is very vital for relief from evil forces. His There are other benefits also of connecting to Kal Bhairava, because he is the ruler of time or Kala. So the one who worships Kal Bhairava is able to transcend time, is able to go beyond the limitations of time to be para, that is beyond time. He is very helpful in bringing justice to you. So if you are going through situations where uh, someone has done wrong to you, you are going through any chronic health conditions that are not improving, you're going through court case issues where people have put your life at a stake, at a standstill because of these cases long standing. If you are someone who wants to master the shunyata of, or the cosmic void, or the timeless samadhi states in your spiritual journey, then all these reasons it is wonderful to connect to Kal Bhairava on the day of his Jayanti, which is upcoming again, I am repeating, on 23rd of November. So he can be worshipped even at home with the chanting of the mantra Om Bhairavaya Namaha, very simple mantra, which you can chant one mala on that day. You can light a lamp to Lord Kal Bhairav, have a yantra or a photograph or an idol of him, and light a lamp with til oil. You can offer black sesame seeds and sweets, fruits, pan, madira to the Lord. Out of your devotion, whatever you offer is accepted by him. And you can chant the Kal Bhairav Ashtakam and the Chalisa Aarti at the end of your japas. So that's how you can make the Kal Bhairav Jayanti to be a point of deeper contact with this deity, who is very compassionate, and do not be scared of him. He is Karunamai. So even though he looks ferocious. Other thing is that if you have your beloveds who have passed on, then for their salvation, for their mukti, since he is the ruler of death, you can even pray for moksha for your loved ones that have passed on this day. And in case you want to request me to do a Kal Bhairav Homam for any of your personal prayer requests, do send me your name, Gotra, and your prayer requests much in advance before time so that I will include them in the Jayanti Day prayers. Thank you very much. Om Namah Shivaya.